In this video, you will learn how to start issuing certificates. To sell certificates with open arrival date, it is required to have an additional Exely Extranet. Please contact your sales manager to get the option. To create a certificate, go to Room Management, Room Types. In this case, a room type is a certificate of a certain value. Click Add Room Type. Enter a certificate name. We recommend using a detailed name, for example, certificate with open arrival date for $70. Add a short name in the room codes field. It will be displayed in the Prices and Restrictions tab of the Rate Plans section. In the Occupancy settings, select Bed and Room. You do not need to make the room amenities and room preferences settings. They will not be displayed in the booking engine for certificates. Fill in the description field. This is some extra information for your guests. For example, get the best deal today and stay later. Or discounts are summed up with your certificate. Save the changes and upload photos. Website visitors will see these photos when buying a gift certificate on the website. If you want to get certificate templates, please send a request to Customer Support. A gift certificate can be a great present for all occasions. The following settings will make your certificate look attractive on the website. Upload a background image for the certificate. Style the certificate number. Select a color and make the font settings. Select whether you want to display the price of the certificate. The setting is useful if you sell certificates at the price lower than their value. If you choose to display the certificate price, select the text color and make the font settings. Click Save. Next, create a room type for each certificate value. After doing that, indicate how many certificates can be sold a day. To do this, go to Room Management, Availability. Open the Availability tab. In the Availability column, enter how many certificates of each value can be sold a day. Click Save. The next step is to create rate plans. Go to Room Management, Rate Plans and click Create Base Rate Plan. Enter a name, for example, $70 certificate with open arrival date. In the General Settings tab, scroll to Points of Sale and tick the Official Site box. In the Prices and Restrictions tab, set the certificate amount for all dates until the expiration date of the certificate. The price should be the same any day. For example, for the $70 certificate, set the price of $70 for every day. If you want to sell your certificate at the price lower than the initial value, create a derived rate plan. This way, your guests will be motivated to buy the certificate. Go back to the list of rate plans. Click Create Derived Rate Plan and select Custom Rate Plan. Name it, for example, $70 certificate with open arrival date. In the General Settings tab, select a certificate which the rate plan will be applied to. In the Rules to Derive a Rate Plan tab, enter a discount amount. For example, if you provide a 10% discount for the certificate of $70, you sell it for $63. In the Services and Restrictions, tick all the boxes. Make sure you tick the derived box next to the payment methods. Click Save. Open the Rate Display on the Website tab. In the Detailed Description field, write about the terms, a validity period of the certificate, and its value. The certificate will be assigned the number as soon as the certificate purchase is made. If you have several certificates of different values, create one base rate plan with different prices for each certificate. For every certificate, create a derived rate plan and specify its terms. You can also sell certificates without discounts. In this case, a gift certificate of $70 will cost $70. To do this, create only one rate plan. Set a price of $70 and write about terms. How certificates offer is displayed at the official website and in the booking engine. When guests click this button, they are redirected to the booking engine for certificates. There, they can see a list of available certificates with a buy button for each offer. Additionally, you can set up a widget to inform your guests about the certificates. For this, go to Booking Engine, Widgets, and click Create Widget. Then, select Custom Widget for the available templates. In the widget settings, select Booking Engine for what should open when the widget button is clicked. Proceed with the other steps: Content, Styles, Multilingual, Display Settings, and publish the widget. The widget will be displayed at the official website. When the guests click the widget, they will be addressed to the booking engine for certificates. You can find out how many gift certificates were sold in the report's Bookings. When someone buys a certificate, the system sends you a notification email. If you have extra questions, feel free to contact us. You can find our contact details in the lower left corner of your extranet, or you can also use our knowledge base.